Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I purchased with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today I'm reviewing the FastEdge tool system, or the FastEdge edge banding system from FastCap. I have the edge banding, which is a peel and stick edge banding, and their toolkit that kind of gives you all the necessary tools you need to get started. You can buy it in rolls of edge banding that then sticks to your product, trim it, sand it, round it over, and you are done. It's a lot faster than the iron-on method, and I really like using it. This saves me a lot of time, takes up very little space, and it's great. So the first thing you do is you have a good clean cut edge. This is pretty well done. Got a little 220 sanding block just to smooth it out a little bit. That way I'm making sure to keep it a nice square edge. And I bought the industrial roll of FastEdge tape in birch plywood that goes with in birch veneer that goes with the birch plywood I'm using. You pull it out, and I'm just going to come out about an inch longer than I need, and you can just snip it off. Then you pull out enough to tuck it back into the roll, that way you don't lose it inside the box. They included this little decurl. Obviously you can decurl it elsewhere in other ways, but this is just a nice simple way to get that roll off. Now we are ready to pull the tape off and stick the veneer on. And this is the, I believe, 15/16, so it's made for your 3/4 inch plywoods. You get it bigger so you don't have to be as precise. But I actually bought the wrong size to start with, and I don't really see a problem with using the 3/4 inch on the 3/4 inch plywood because it is just ever so slightly oversized. And we're just going to stick that on. Make sure I'm keeping about 1/8 of an inch on one side, and on the other side I have a little bit more of a gap. There, we're stuck on. Now the first thing we're going to do is take our speed roller, heavy roller with metal roller guys. If you're doing more delicate veneer, they actually have little rubber feet that you can put on this to do about the same thing. But the idea is you use pressure and your body weight to roll it to activate this pressure sensitive adhesive. And I gave it 3 or 4 good rolls. Now using the flush cut trimmers, next thing you do is we trim the 2 edges. Alright, so we're good there. I'm going to roll it again just to be sure I got that good bite. This is their speed trimmer. It's a really cool guy. It actually is held together with pressure. It's got little O-rings in there, and so it acts as a spring, but only with air pressure. So there's no springs or clamps, and these blades are replaceable. It is designed to go on the edge right here. So you put it on, you clip it tight, and then you can see trims it off nice and clean. One thing I failed to mention, I'm holding it upright with the FastEdge clamps. These you can attach them with screws into your workbench or with dog holes. I haven't found the need to. So with that one pass, I've got this clip and a nice sharp edge on it, and a couple of passes, and you have a broken over edge piece of plywood. Is veneer. These are shelves that are going to get painted. I will show some close-ups, but that is the FastEdge system from FastCap. And I made a little tabletop for a lady out of this material, and so far it's holding up extremely well. I really like this stuff. Would I buy it again? Yes, I'm going to continue buying it and continue using it. Is it the end-all be-all of edge banding systems? No, you'll have to decide in your shop if that's something you want to scale up to. If you're just now starting to get into the concept of edge banding, this is definitely a great system to use and try out. It's what I'm going to be exclusively using until I get in that 5,000 square foot shop with a $5,000–6,000 edge banding system. But for now, this little kit from FastCap does the job this right. So thanks for watching this review. Be sure to share your comments below. If you used this, hated it, let us know. If you used it and love it, let us know. If you have questions about it, ask them in the comments and we'll answer them there. This is Robert Dailey with Dailey Woodworks and 5-Minute Tool Reviews. We'll see you next time.